Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've opened Google Pay. Now move quickly. Tap your profile or the Receive button to reveal your current QR code and make sure your app is updated so settings show correctly. Once visible, check that the linked bank or merchant profile is correct, because editing the QR ties to that account. Next, choose whether you need a personal or merchant QR, since the steps diverge slightly. Select the correct type and proceed to edit or regenerate the code now. You're in the Edit screen. Here you change the how and why of the QR. Tap Edit or Regenerate to replace the image, then update fields like display name, UPID, or the payment link so payments route correctly. If you want fixed payments, set a static QR and input an amount. Otherwise, choose a dynamic QR for on-the-fly totals. Make sure to add a clear description or expiry where available, then save. The app will produce a new QR tied to those settings. Once saved, preview the regenerated QR and verify the visible UPI ID or merchant name is correct. This prevents misrouted payments. You can share it via link, send a screenshot, or print high-contrast copies for physical displays. Then perform a quick test transaction from a second device to confirm funds route as expected. If the QR fails, clear the app cache, confirm your bank link, update Google Pay to the latest version, and contact support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.